Hi there! Ready to master English tenses? Let's dive into it together. First up, we have the present simple. This is used for routines and facts. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Notice how eat is in its base form. Another one, she reads a book every night. Reads has an S because it's third person singular. Next, let's talk about the present continuous. This is for actions happening right now or around this time. For instance, I am eating breakfast now. See how am and eating work together. Another example. They are studying for exams. Our studying shows the action is ongoing. Now, onto the past simple. This tense is used for actions that happened and finished in the past. Like, I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. yesterday. Ate is the past form of eat. Here's another. She read a book last night. Read, pronounced read, is the past form of read. Next is the past continuous. This one describes actions that were ongoing in the past. Example, I was eating breakfast when the phone rang. Was eating shows the action in progress. Another one, they were studying when it started raining. Were studying indicates an ongoing action in the past. Moving on to the future simple. This is used for actions that will happen. Like, I will eat breakfast at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Will eat indicates a future action. Another example, she will read a book tonight. Will read points to a future activity. Lastly, we have the future continuous. This is for actions that will be ongoing in the future. For example, I will be eating breakfast at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Will be eating shows the action will be in progress. Another one, they will be studying for exams next week. Will be studying indicates an ongoing future action. So, let's recap. Present, simple for routines and facts. Present, continuous for actions happening now. Past, simple for completed past actions. Past continuous for ongoing past actions. Future simple for actions that will happen. And future continuous for ongoing future actions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these tenses in your daily life. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. Bye for now.